Hello to all you wonderful people of YouTube. This is Vincent from Wonders of London. Hope you're all doing well and having a good day. And I have a question for you guys. Do you want to see some amazing flowers when you're in London? Well, there is one place you must visit at least once a season because they're always changing the flowers that you can get. And your closest station to this place is, of course, Charing Cross Station, which is that building over there, or Embankment Station, which is even closer. And the gardens are the Whitehall Gardens. You also have an amazing hotel here, which of course is the Royal Horse Guards Hotel. And just to give you a taste of the flowers that you can see in these particular gardens, have a look at this. We're in spring with all the beautiful tulips that have just come into season. So how amazing is that? And you've got fantastic trees in these particular gardens as well. But along with that, you actually have fantastic monuments, statues, and fantastic buildings. And in fact, just to throw in a sweetener, you also have the London Eye just over there on the other side of the river. So it is quite a phenomenal place to explore. And of course, you just have these pretty beautiful flowers all over the place. And London is an amazing city if you love nature and flowers. In any case, I hope that you've enjoyed that video, and if you have enjoyed that video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and subscribe as well for more amazing videos of London. Thanks so much, and have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. Bye.